Welcome to RAThbun's YouTube channel. Hey, I want you guys just to pretend like you're one of my friends, if you're not already. I want you to sit down here with me with a cup of coffee, take maybe 10 minutes out of your morning, and check out this video coming up. Because I'm going to do some reviews on different things, and I think you're going to like this next little item. And I'll tell you the truth about it. I will check it out, and if I don't like it, I'll always add something to the comments in the videos. So, hope you enjoy this next video and learn a little bit, my friend.
Hey everybody. Hey, we're going to do an unboxing today, and this is more or less a present again from guess who? This man right here, Charlie Blood, and all of you Patreon people and you YouTube people. I had to put everything I made together to buy this, and I am happy. Never had one, and Charlie's going to teach me everything he knows, which is nothing. So we're gonna learn on this together. There we go. See if we can get this thing out. Oh, the box inside a box. We got it from the Amazon place, you know. The old jungle place.
I could use that one box.
Let's tip this up this way, and then this way, and then slide that out. You got it? You got it, Charlie? Come on, Charlie, get it.
You boys want me to help?
Then we got a peanut gallery. Okay, here it is. What is it, Charlie?
It's a MIG 200.
Who made it? Who made it? Oh, what did he say that? ARCCAPTAIN?
ARCCAPTAIN.
ARCCAPTAIN.
Captain.
Now this thing is on the internet everywhere, so I'm not going to do tell a lot about it. I'm just going to show you what's in the box, and that's why it's titled unboxing review. So we're going to see what's in it. Go ahead, Charlie.
You want me to open the box?
Open the box. I don't know if there's a rattlesnake in there or not, but it's a wire feed. It's a MIG welder. It does aluminum. It does a lot more than either one of us know how to do. I've never wire fed welded. You guys can swear to that, can't they? You've seen my welds.
Yes.
They hold together so well.
Yes, very well.
Some of them held together.
Yeah. Some of them are held together with glue.
So, let's see what we got in this box. There we go. Okay, here's the box with that.
Move the box, babe.
Okay. We got a director over there.
Well, y'all look like y'all need help.
All right, well, this is what we got in the box. That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Now, take that away, sir. What's that lady's name on the flips the card?
Vanna.
Thank you, Vanna. We got tips for something. I got an instruction book. Oh, we got a sticker. No, it ain't a sticker, it's a card. By the way, if you guys want a sticker from this fellow, he's got stickers now, and they're awesome.
Yep.
Just go on his site, K9 Blood 01, and drop him a line. He'll probably send you one if you want one. But these are tips for this. So we got tips, whatever that does. We got this. That looks like that's gas. Or
nice for your wire to go through.
oh, yeah. Oh, that's the wire holder. Never had one of these guys. What do we got there?
That's good.
Let's go ahead and open her up.
Oh.
These were on sale. You know I wouldn't have bought it if they hadn't been on sale. They're almost free.
Almost?
Almost free. You heard that before in Mexico, haven't you?
Oh yeah, almost free.
Almost free, senor.
See, this is your standard
This is my standard
welder.
stick welder.
Stick welder.
Okay, so it does do stick welding. I didn't mention that before.
And this is
Wire.
Here's the front of it. That's the back. Looks like it's only got the place for this one thing here. That's probably your wire feed, I think.
and here's the rest of the wire for each gun.
How's the gun? Is it good? Solid? Feels solid?
Good trigger on.
Good trigger. Better than Vicky's gun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Vicky's got a stiff trigger on her gun. I'm talking about her pistol now. So we got this, and we got the welding, and what do we got here?
That's the ground.
That's my ground.
That's to read the instructions, because this is going to fit into one of those down there, I think.
Yeah. What's this
Now,
here?
see, this
This has got a.
this screws into this one right here.
This one
Take
screws.
the cap off. It's got the three.
Yeah, this part goes into this.
We're going to figure this out.
Yep, this part goes into there. Can you see that? You got it, Vicky? I got my Vicky helping me here. Then this part here must be for the ground.
Yeah.
That's the ground. That's going to be easy. Then your other welder
Arc welder will go on the other side.
over here, one of the sides.
Yeah, that's the plus. That'll be the arc
Oh,
welder.
plus, yeah.
That'll be the 9-9 over there.
So this is what you get in the package, and it looks like everything you would need. The arc welder part I don't need, but here's the thing. This can plug into your wall outlet.
Yay.
Did you hear that?
Yay.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
Me too. What you're asking is, how does this 110 turn into 30 amp and then run that with that? How does it do that? Is that what you're asking?
It's magic. Yes.
It's magic? Well, the thing is, it's got an inverter inside here that will change that. So that is going to be cool. I also have the, I'm pretty sure that's 30 amp connection. But this is going to be good for me to weld anything out here that I don't have to drag into my shop.
Right.
So that's one of the reasons we got that. So that's going to be excellent. If it works, I'm sure it will. I've heard nothing but good things about it. Let's see what's in here. What do we got in here, Charlie?
Totally portable.
That's going to be how you.
Something's in here.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's where you put your wire, which you don't have any wire.
they didn't send any wire.
Son of a gun.
Whoa.
How
I
you-
would have thought they'd have given me 5 feet or something for sample.
It won't take 5 feet on that thing. Won't take but a few minutes. Zzz.
Well, we'll be ordering some wire for it, so if you guys do order one of these, keep in mind you got to order the wire too. Must be why they were saying for another $35 you can get wire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right here it tells you all your settings, and I'm not going to show you how to use it.
Because we don't know how.
So pull up another one with this. Pull up another video. There's lots of guys that are really good. The guy that I was watching use this is called Make It Custom. That guy can.
You can
You
learn
think I
something.
can make stuff, but I don't make it. I make it out of junk. He makes good stuff, and he's a very good welder. He knows what he's talking about. He'll tell you how to run this thing. So anyway, I'm just going to do the unboxing, and if well, once we get wire, I'm glad we wasn't going to use it today.
Right.
Yeah. But anyway, there's your unboxing of a, what is it again?
ARCCAPTAIN.
ARCCAPTAIN. ARCCAPTAIN. ARCCAPTAIN.
R.
There we go. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thank you, Peanut Gallery,
Welcome.
and the videographer,
Vicky.
and Miss Vanna. My brother Blood.
If she only looked this good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, you guys want to help out this channel a little bit, like $3 a month, you can be a Patreon subscriber. You will get all kinds of videos that are not on here, and you'll get all these videos earlier. Also, if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get notified of all the upcoming videos, and all the short videos we put on here will make sense because they will be in order. So subscribe, it is free, and thank you once again.